Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a traditional Roman dish. It's a carbonara, one of the most famous pasta that everybody probably knows. So the ingredients that we need to make ready this dish, we need the guanciale, but if you don't have the guanciale you can use also a bacon. We need pasta. In this case, I have choose a floury pasta. The reason because the floury pasta mix very good with the egg. So we need a farm egg. We need a cheese. In this case, I use 40% of parmigiano reggiano. It's 24 months aged, and 60% of pecorino Romano. DOP also 24 months age. The reason that the cheese is 24 months age is because the cheese doesn't have the water inside and mix very well, so it doesn't stay a small balls. We have a black pepper. I use black pepper from Sarawak, cubebe and sichuan, and we have a plastic bowl. We're going to mix to end the carbonara on the plastic bowl because the carbonara doesn't need to be ended in the pan because the pan it's very hot and will cook the egg. So let's start ready with the preparation. So the first step to do is we're going to clean up the guanciale, to clean up the pepper on the skin, and we are going to make a small cubes around 1.5 centimeter. I have cleaned up the guanciale from the pepper and from the skin. In this case, I'm going to do 4 portions of pasta for me and my family. For 4 portions of pasta, I have used around 300 grams of guanciale. So now I'm going to fry the guanciale in the pan without nothing. So I start to heat the pan, and I'm going to show you how to cut the guanciale. So I'm going to do like 2 small slices from each side, and I'm going to cut the guanciale exactly in the middle. And now the cubes I'm going to do like this. So this is the cubes more or less how you are going to make. The pan is hot now. We are going to add the guanciale, medium-high fire, and we are staying a minute over here to mix it always. After doing that, we're going to turn the fire very low, and we are going to leave it to cook on his own fat very slowly, probably 10 minutes. In the meantime, the guanciale cooks. We are going to make the water boiling. Guanciale cooks on his own fat slowly and nice, and becomes lovely and crispy. Now the water is ready. Let's add some kosher salt and the pasta. So in this case, I'm going to do 4 portions of pasta, and I'm going to use around 400 grams. So the 2 important elements of this dish is the pasta. The pasta has to be floury, for the reason because when the pasta is floury and mixed very well together with the egg, floury pasta you can find a lot of producers, Cavalieri, Verigni, Coco, Gragnano, but also other producers. So far it's floury, it's great. So the guanciale, the last event that I did in Miami, I have found a guanciale in the States. It's called La Quercia. They have great guanciale, so they delivered for sure 100% in New York. I don't know where else they delivered. All the other ingredients, so parmigiano, pecorino, farm's egg, the pepper, you can find a little bit everywhere. Spaghetti, it's ready in 5 minutes. In the meantime, we starting to make ready the rest of the dish. So we are going to separate the yolk. In my case, for 4 portion, I need 3 yolk and 1 full egg. Now we are mixing just a little bit like this, the eggs. We add in the cheese, a mix of cheeses. So I remember that it was 60% of pecorino Romano and 40% of parmigiano reggiano DOP. Okay, like this, and we add in the pepper. But if you have any question, you can write me down on my email, and I can answer you where you can find the products or wherever question you have. So let's take the pasta now. Okay, so the pasta, it's nice al dente. Remember, before taking the water out, you have to keep some hot water on the side because for sure you may need it. So now we are ready to end the pasta. I'm going to add the spaghetti over here, and I'm going to mix it a little bit very quick. And now, before the pasta cooks, Violet, mi dai una mano papà per l'acqua, per favore? I need a little bit of hot water. Aggiungi un po' d'acqua. Vai. Basta. Ok, grazie. Okay, so now I'm going to add the fat of the guanciale. I'm going to add 3 spoons of fat of guanciale and the half of the guanciale. The other half I'm going to leave it to add it in the end. Now I'm adding some more cheese and some more black pepper. So this operation has to be a little bit quick. Perfect. So like this. I'm adding also a little bit more hot water to make it nice and creamy. Okay. We are plating the carbonara now. There you go. Okay. So remember, that has to be nice and creamy. Okay, now we are going to add some more of the crispy guanciale, like this, and ending with some cheese and some black pepper on the end. There you go. This is my carbonara. Enjoy until to the next video.